In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Gmail app added to your monday.com account and know exactly what to expect during the install process, so you can start streamlining email and work in one place. Start by heading to monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams. If you plan to install apps for everyone, you might need the right permissions. So if you see any restricted messages, check with your workspace admin before continuing. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for a small puzzle piece icon that opens the app's marketplace. Click it to launch the marketplace window. This is where you'll find official integrations and add-ons that expand what your boards can do. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type Gmail. Be precise with the spelling to bring up the correct result quickly. You should see the Gmail integration appear in the list. Take a moment to open it so you can read the overview, see what it connects, and confirm it's the official Gmail app designed for monday.com. The overview page is helpful for understanding what the integration can automate and what permissions it needs. Now click the Gmail result to open its dedicated page. Here you'll see details like features, example use cases, and any notes about permissions. It's a good idea to skim this before installing, especially if you're working within a managed organization with stricter security settings. Next, click Install App. During the installation, monday.com may ask where you want the app installed, such as your entire account or a specific workspace or board. You may also be prompted to authorize access with Google. If a pop-up doesn't appear, enable pop-ups for monday.com in your browser and try again. When the Google window opens, choose the correct Gmail account, review the requested permissions, and approve them to complete the connection. If your organization requires admin approval, you'll see a prompt to request it. Send the request and continue once it's approved. When the process finishes, Gmail is connected. You can confirm by checking the installed section in the marketplace. From here, you can explore the app's overview to see common recipes and templates that use Gmail, like sending emails from item updates or creating items from incoming messages. And that's it. You've connected Gmail to monday.com and you're ready to build workflows that bring your emails and tasks together in one place.